What if you could build a $30,000 a month design agency without hiring a single designer at 19? Leo did exactly that. No design degree, no team. Just a laptop, a clear niche, and smart AI leverage. He didn't start by offering logos and websites. He started by solving one specific, painful problem for one specific audience. Early stage, SaaS founders who needed landing pages that converted but couldn't afford $10,000 agencies. His insight: most startups don't need custom illustration or brand strategy. They need fast, high-converting, on-brand landing pages, and they need them yesterday. So he built a system. First, he trained a custom GPT on top-performing SaaS landing pages, analyzing structure, copy frameworks, and visual hierarchy. Then, he used Figma AI plugins and Galileo AI to generate layout drafts from a simple brief: product name, key benefit, target audience. But here's the key: he didn't deliver AI output raw. He acted as the creative director. He edited every pixel, refining typography, adjusting spacing, ensuring brand alignment. The AI handled 80% of the heavy lifting. He handled the 20% that made it feel human, professional, and intentional. He priced it simply: $1,500 for a high-converting landing page delivered in 5 days. No revisions, circus. 3 rounds, max, done. He marketed quietly, no ads. Just LinkedIn posts showing before-after results with permission. Commenting thoughtfully in SaaS founder groups and offering free landing page audits to build trust. Word spread within 3 months. He was booked 6 weeks out. Today, he runs the agency solo, earning $30,000 a month with 20 clients. He spends 25 hours a week, 15 on client work, 10 on outreach and refinement. No meetings, no project managers, just pure value delivery. His tools: Galileo AI plus Figma for rapid wireframing, MidJourney for custom hero illustrations, prompt engineered for consistency, Notion for client onboarding and feedback, Stripe for seamless invoicing. But his real advantage: positioning. He doesnn't sell AI design. He sells SaaS landing pages that convert, fast, affordable, done. Clients don't care how it's made. They care that it works and that he gets their world. When asked about the future, he says, "I'm not competing with Figma or Canva. I'm competing with freelancers who take 2 weeks and charge $5K. I deliver better results faster, at half the price, because I've systematized the craft." And he's expanding. Next up, a self-serve tier for pre-built templates, $499, and a brand voice plus UI package for startups raising seed rounds. Leo's story isn't about genius. It's about focus, leverage, and respecting the craft while using AI to remove the friction. The barrier to building isn't talent anymore. It's the willingness to start small, serve deeply, and let AI handle the grind. If you found Leo's journey inspiring or eye-opening, please like this video, share it with a young builder or founder, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest interviews, case studies, and insights on AI-powered entrepreneurship, ethical innovation, and the future of work. Let's build the next generation together.